How to know the best sellers on Etsy. Now, if you want to know the best sellers on Etsy, you just simply need to open any of the browser that you use and search for eRank in there. Then open the website of erank.com from the very top, and after opening eRank, you are gonna see a bunch of options once you log into the website. In order to know the best sellers on Etsy, scroll down a little bit and you will see this section of most sales on Etsy. Tap into this button besides that and you will see the best sellers of all time or yesterday. You can also customize the categories, countries and year shop opened. Just simply choose all of the customizations if you want and tap to apply button. And once you do that, you are gonna see the list of top sellers or best sellers on Etsy. As you can see here, Caitlin Minimalist is on top, and at the fifth it's Planner Kate, and similarly the list goes on and on. You can also filter by the sales trend, country, year, shop opened category in here. So this is how you can see the best seller on Etsy. Now in order to know more, you can search their shop name, you can follow their Instagram page or something like that if they have one, and this is how you know the best seller. I hope this video was informative. If yes, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.